Hello and welcome. In this video, let's talk about the very early stages of setting up your account in Backtrack. So I'm going to assume we've already talked to you and you've reached out to us and interested in our services, and we've agreed that we're going to set up an account for you. All right? And if you haven't gotten past that stage, you could go to our website back-track.com and just find one of these Let's Get Busy boxes, and obviously we'll ask for some introductory information such as name, email, what you're trying to sell, what you would like us to help you with. But we're past that stage now. We've approved your account. We want to get started. So let's jump into the setup stage. This is just the setup, the early stages of getting your account going. So in the beginning, all we're going to look for is your client information. We just need to set up a login account and your client information. So the name of your company, your address, your contact information, email, phone, etc. What we'll do is take that information and again set up a client account in our system. Our system will then do two things. It will email you a login, and you can actually set up multiple logins for your employees with a little bit flexibility on access and controls. So you can set up multiple accounts under one account, multiple logins under one account. We will set you, so you'll get that email to log in, and then we will give you what we call a reference number. And this is basically we're going to give you an account number that's not really your account number, but it's your account number for shipping. And there's reference number you will use on every inbound shipment. And the purpose of that is for us to quickly identify all these boxes that we get in every day, whose account this box is for. So this unique number is for your inbound shipments only. And we'll send you up that reference number and your password. So basically that is the beginning of setting up your account, and it's really simple. And let me show you real quick. Once your account's set up, you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, and you can always find your account number or your reference number right there. And for my demo, I'm using 100. Yours will be another 3-digit code. It could be 105 or 95 or 50. I mean, it's really going to be a different unique identifier. After that, the next step is to send in SKUs and price lists, or not price lists, but parts list. And I will talk about that on the next video.